Next step is I want to just go over the copper with some really fine, this must be maybe 400 grit. It's wet or dry sandpaper. Just scratches up the surface a little bit. It'll help the solder adhere. And I put this hanger on, and it'll help when I age the copper also. It'll help that to adhere to the metal. Let's go over both sides and rough up that surface. I'm going to put some pre-tinning paste flux on where I want to put this metal hanger. It cleans the metal. I'll put a little bit on the hanger also. And put on my goggles. And I'm using some solder safe lead-free solder. Pretty big diameter, it must be 3/16, somewhere's in there. Light up my torch. That got hard on this. It's liquid. Hold it there for a second. Don't touch this metal for 15 minutes. It gets really hot. The solder's gotten hard, but don't touch it for 15 minutes. Just be on the safe side.